Alexa, can you demonstrate your clicking noise with your mouth? Yeah, that's good. Are you so hungry? You gonna do your noise again? There you go. Good job.
You're so good at that, and you need us to ignore you so you'll do it. Do you like your classical music? Yeah. So you're just tired of even using your fingers.
Sucking on your tongue. That's a cool trick.
It's gonna be a good video with the swing going.
Oh, everybody will be seasick, but other than that, it'll be fine. Are you ready to go celebrate Eva Westerman's second birthday today, Alexa?
And what else is today?
And can you say, happy anniversary, Mimi and Pop? 40 years, woohoo!
Thanks for loving each other. I would not be possible.
All right, Alexa, good job. Can you do it one more time? Close.
Big kicks.
You gonna do your duck lips?
She's doing
This video is gonna make everyone extremely ill. But it's cute. Bye,
She does
Alexa.
have a
Bear.
diaper on.
She's not naked. Well, she's mostly naked. Bye, Alexa. You about ready to eat? Are you hungry, Bear? Huh?
Hi.